Okay, today we'll see how we can calculate the distance, alright, the angle and distance of the objects. First of all, you have to define the units, alright. So before starting drawing, so you will go to drawing units, UN, alright. So I will select, for example, UN and click enter. So from here I will choose units. For example, I want to work in architectural unit, and here I will choose inches and just click OK. Okay. Now I will take a line from here, alright. So line from here, and I have just made it line. Just make sure your author is on. So for example, this 2 feet line, alright, like this, or just make any random line like this. Now I don't know what is the length of this line. If you want to check the length of the line, then you need to go to measure tool we have. Here we have distance. Measure the distance between 2 points, alright. And click here, just click on this first point and the second point. So it will give you the total distance, alright. The total length of the line, it will tell you what is the length of the line. Okay. So this information is only for you. So once you click, it will show you, alright. So when you escape, so it's finished. So it's for you only if you want to check. For example, if you have rectangle and you have made it rectangle like this, now you want to check only the length and width of the rectangle. Just go to here and DI. The shortcut key to measure distance is DI from the keyboard. Then click here and then click here. Now you will see it will tell you the distance. Maybe you will not see that distance which you have which you are calculating. So make sure from here this dynamic input is on. If this dynamic input is on, then you will see. Otherwise, now it will not show you near the cursor, but it will show you down. Like click here, you will, maybe you are looking for near cursor, but now look at here on command bar, right? Command line. Here it will show you delta x is equal to this one is distance. If this switch is on, like dynamic input, okay, if it's on, now if you will measure distance from here to here, so it will show you near the cursor, alright. If it's not, so you can look at here at dynamic, here at command line bar, alright. Okay. If you want to measure angle between two lines, again go to measure and here angle. So just click here one line and another line, so it will measure the distance. Alright, and look at here on command line, here it will show you angle is 90 between these two lines. As I told you, this measurement is only for you, for your reference. If you have circle, for example, here, then go to measure, and this time you want to measure the radius. And click here, so it will give you the radius. Alright, if you multiply with 2, that will be diameter. Alright, so this one you can measure also the radius, like this. Now the most important thing to measure the area of the object, the area of the object. Area means length multiplied by width, alright. So if you want to find the area of this object, it's very easy. Just go to measure and go area. Click area, then you have to click points like click here and click here, and you have to fill with the green color like this. Once it's filled, this green color is your area, total area. So after this, right click and enter or press enter. So look at command bar. So area is 22 square inch, alright, and 0.1591 square feet. This is total area of this object, alright. For example, I will take a line from here, right. So here I have like 2 feet, the center 2 feet, alright, and then come down, then 2 feet here, and then here I have 2 feet, and then close. Okay, for example, I have this 2 feet by 2 feet. Okay, we will multiply by 2 by 2, it will be 4 feet, right. Okay, just go to area, then click from here like this, one point, then other point, just fill it with green color like this. Okay, right click and enter. Now here you will see here we have square inch, and here we have square feet. So 4 square feet is the area of this rectangle, because we multiply 2 feet by 2 feet, so it will be 4 square feet, the area of this. If you have like irregular shape, for example, I will take line command from here and make sure ortho is off. Just click here, click here, click here like this. Now you want to find out the area of this.
What is ortho?
Ortho means the straight line. If this ortho is not on, for example, when you're clicking like this, line is not coming straight. Line is not straight. Like when you click on ortho mode, just switch on, now line will become straight. Alright, so only the mode, if you switch on and off, you can make line straight. Okay, if we want to measure the area of this, so I'll go to measure and area. Then you can just click here, then click here, and you need to fill it with green color. Then right click and enter like this. So here you have area of this 2 square feet and this square inch. Every drawing, alright, or the most of the drawing has an area, like total area we have, covered area and uncovered area. In all construction we have. For example, you are building a house. The total land of your house which you purchased will be your total area, right? The plot size will be total area. Then you have covered area where you built the house, where you built walls and everything, and you put also the roof, right? So when you like put the roof, that will be your covered area. If you minus that covered area from total area, you will get uncovered area, right? So we have to write in the design the total area client has given to this one. So we built construction on this area. So we will minus like covered from total, we will get uncovered or empty area. For example, this was the land, okay, this was given, or you want to construct something here like this, ortho. For example, you have made a drawing here like this. So this is, for example, your house, you have built it. So it's your covered area, for example. Now what I want, first I will find out the total area, then I will minus this covered area, then I will get this empty area. You can do in a two way. If you want to use your calculator, right, you can use also. It's very simple. Go to measure area and just first measure the area of this, the big one here, and when it's filled with green, right click and enter. So the total area is 2.15 square feet. Alright, that's your total area, 2.15 square feet. Now again go area and again take area, then measure this one. Click here and here, here and here like this. Alright, and right click. So this one is your covered area. So 2.15 total area minus 1. So you will get your uncovered area. Right? That was total land. You have built it this one. So total minus covered, you will get uncovered or empty area. Alright? That's how you can use manually. But if you want like AutoCAD should tell you the uncovered area, alright, we can also use that one. How? We will go to measure and from here you will take area command. Area command, and the shortcut key for area command you can use double A. Double A from the keyboard when you will press like this. So it will ask you what you want to do. First of all, I want to add area. Okay, I will go to add area, then click here, right? Yeah, just add area. Click here, right, and click here. So you have added area. Okay, so you have added area. Okay, after added area, just right click and enter. Now what do you want next? You can subtract area. Go to subtract area, then you have to make it like this, like this and like this. Alright. So this red one it's going to subtract from the green. Then right click and enter. Then it will give you the area 1.65 square inch and 1.14 is square feet is your total uncovered area. Right. You can also find out like this. It will save your time without doing calculation. Alright. I will do escape. If you have all polyline objects, it's not a joined object. For example, you have like this. In area, we have also one option by clicking on object at once. So I'll go to measure and here click area. And if you don't want to click like click, then just click on object. If your object is polyline, click here, then click on object. So it's all green highlighted. It will give you the total area from here. If you have also another object like circle, like this. So if you want to subtract this area from this total, so these steps you will remember. Go to area, then you will go add area, then click object, then you will just add this one. Enter. Then you will go subtract area, then object, and then click here. It's done. Okay, so here you will get your uncovered area. Alright, the final result. So you can also perform like this. If you have you are building house, for example. Alright, let me see if I have covered and uncovered area in my drawing bar. Right now, for example, I don't have it. Okay, so you can like measure like this. For example, that was your total area. Then you are making polyline and you are building house like this. Alright, because you have to tell the clients what you have used, what area you have used, what area you are covered. So again, same procedure you will just follow. Alright, so that's how you can use this measure tool. The volume, this is used in 3D. Right, so if you have 3D object, you want to measure the volume, it will used in 3D. But these all commands you can use for the measurement for yourself. Otherwise, if you want to show to the client, you have to write with the text or with the annotation as well. Alright, now whatever drawing you have made it, so just calculate the total area, alright, then minus the covered area where the roof will come. Then write uncovered area. Alright, that's how you will do that. You will also do that.